What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the annoying issue of your iPhone not receiving emails in here on your device. This could be, for example, the regular mail app that comes in built, or it could be as well the Gmail app in here. I'm going to show you how to fix the problem in both of the apps. But do not forget, if you find my content useful, consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out so I can reach more people and consequently help more people as well. Now, jumping straight into the very first step in here, if it's the mail app or even the Gmail app, I need you to give a look at the notification that shows up in here. In my case, it says clean up iCloud Mail. iCloud Mail can help you free up storage and also get email. So basically, I'm not receiving emails since 2025 because my inbox is full or my iCloud space is full. This happens when you use the free storage offered by iCloud, and this is only if you're using your iCloud to receive emails. Now, if it's Gmail, it's a whole different story. You have more space, and it's rare to get to this point unless you have a lot of emails sent to you many years back. So first things first, double check your storage here within iCloud and within Gmail settings as well. Now, if that's not the issue, then I would recommend you to hop into settings, scroll down all the way to mail app in here. Hop into apps and then tap on mail. There we go. And then you want to ensure that cellular data is toggled on to mail, because you may be trying to connect to the internet, but the app is not loading emails or fetching emails because it's not getting access to the internet. So you want to ensure that cellular data is here turned on. Now you want to do this also to Gmail. If Gmail is your main issue, go all the way to Gmail and then ensure that mobile data or cellular data is toggled on in here. This is very important. Now, if this doesn't help fixing the problem, do not worry. We're gonna go back and then we're gonna go all the way to mail down here again, apps. Okay, let's go all the way to mail. Tap on mail. Next up, simply tap on mail accounts in here once, and then you want to simply tap on one of the emails, the one which is restricting you from getting access, and then you want to sign out or simply remove and then re-log in one more time by hopping back, and then simply tap on add account to add that same account from scratch. So you want to log out and re-log in, as this can help fixing the problem here, as this may be related to synchronization issues in here. I hope this video really helped you out, and if you find value out of my content, consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. Thank you for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.